Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's razor review, the Parker 22R Double-Edged Safety Razor. This razor is made in India, as all Parker razors are. It's a butterfly style razor. We'll get to that in a minute. It comes in a cardboard box like this, recyclable cardboard box. And if you purchase it from Shave Nation, it comes with a free 5-pack of Parker double-edged safety razor blades. We also sell it in a kit. It's the razor and 100 Parker blades. So if you get 3 to 4 shaves out of each blade, that's 300 to 400 shaves. So you should be good for a full year with that kit. The construction on this razor, it's a brass frame with nickel chrome plating. And the specs on this razor weighs in at 3.2 ounces or 90 grams. And then the length overall from top to bottom is 4.3 inches or 110 millimeters. As I said, very masculine looking, feels really good in the hand. It's got vertical lines running down the handle and diagonal lines. So it's very easy to grip, even though it's got a highly polished finish. Very sharp looking. To load the blade, as I said, butterfly style, all you do is hold it at the top, like so, spin the handle at the bottom, and you can see the butterfly doors open up, close very simply. This is the easiest method of loading blades, easier than 2-piece and 3-piece style razors. So let's pop in a blade. Here's the Parker blade. Comes in a paper wrapper like this. Let's remove it from the wrapper. Drop it right into the razor, just right over the slot. That horizontal bar, it fits right over that. And then turn the handle at the bottom clockwise till she locks down. Check the reveal. Looks good to me. Nice and even on both sides. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click the link under the video where it says show more and you can get them there, or go to shavenation.com and enter whatever you need in the search box. The brush I'll use today is this Parker Black Handle Silver Tip brush. The shaving cream I'll use today is Thayers Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula Shave Cream. I've never used this before. We'll see how it works out. And then the aftershave, we'll stick with the Thayers Aftershave Balm Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula again. We'll try these out today. The bowl, I'll use the new Shave Nation Bumpy Shaving Bowl, the Indestructible. You can check out the video where we ran one of these over with a vehicle a la Napoleon Dynamite and see if it survived the shock test. Check it out. I'll put a link right up there if you want to see it. But we're going to drop some shaving cream in here and see how it lathers up. Got my marble cup filled with hot water, and here's the brush. Here's what it looks like dry. We'll just drop it in there. Want to saturate those bristles. This really soaks up water. The silver tip, it's nice and soft on the tips and soaks up the water like crazy. That's what it looks like when it's saturated. So we're just going to shake that out. Let's squirt a little bit of this Thayers shave cream into our bowl. Right here. Just going to squirt some in. Just going to coat the bottom like that. Got a little bit of shaving cream down in there. And we'll grab our brush. We're going to go right to it. See if we can mix a lather with this Thayers. Let's see how it does. Not much of a scent. As far as the scent, they said it's a refreshing, woody, aquatic scent. That's what it says on the side of the tube. But we got a decent lather coming up right away. See that? Just scoop that around. Drive it back in. Not bad at all. Look at that. It's coming right up. Nice. Yeah. Look at that. Good lather. Good stuff. All right, I'm going to set that down. We have more than enough lather. I've got a couple days worth of beard growth. I'm going to warm my face up and we'll get right to the shave. All right, let's pick up our brush and our bowl and our nice shaving lather. Got more than enough for several passes here. We'll start on the right side here. You can squeeze 2 fingers on the brush to get right under the nose. Just the light scent on this shaving cream, nothing too strong. Little figure 8, smooth it out. All right, let's set that down. Let's clear the runways so we can see those sideburns. And temper the razor, just warm it up under the hot water. All right, very good. So we'll start perpendicular like this. We've got the Parker blade loaded in. Cut that sideburn, tilt slightly up. Excellent. Let's keep going right down the neckline. Nice even shave from both sides of the blade. You can see after one pass, removed my beard. Pretty smooth right there. Here's the stubble. Let's rinse that off. Now the left side, same way. Perpendicular, we'll tilt slightly up. Cut that sideburn. Very smooth, very nice shaving. Get some good audible feedback from this razor, you can hear it. Down the neckline. Sweet, very smooth, very nice. Let's rinse this one off. Lots of stubble going down the drain. All right, mustache area, just come in right underneath the nose like so. Perfect. The head is compact enough where you can get directly under the nose without a problem. Very nice. All right, after one pass, we're pretty darn smooth. Let me rinse off. We'll pick up our bowl and lather up again for the second pass. Ooh, that shaving cream feels cool now that majority of the beard is gone. Kind of a thin lather, not real thick, but it provides a good cushion, not overwhelming with the scent. It seems to do the job quite well. Let's clear the runways again. Even with wet fingers, it's still easy to grip this handle. No problem. All right, now I'll go across the grain. First pass was north to south. Now we'll go across. Backhand this way. Now against the grain on the neck. Beautiful. Very comfortable razor to shave with. I would call this mild to medium, closer to medium actually. Now across the grain on the mustache area. Clean up around the lips. All right, let's rinse off. Super smooth right now, very nice. Let's lather up the cheeks and we'll do the third pass. We'll get the cheeks nice and smooth. Just the cheeks we're going to lather up. Now we'll go against the grain. We're going to ride the cap. Start like this and just tilt your handle slightly upward until she grabs right there. That's that sweet spot where you want to be. And that will give us that baby smooth finish, that glass-like finish. all the way up. Very nice. Now the other side. Stretching the skin a little bit. Beautiful. Look at that. Super smooth. All right, let's rinse this off. While the face is still damp, let's grab our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, and we'll remove the cap on this. Just roll it up a little bit, and we'll wet this under the cold water. And just glide that all around. Let's see if we get any stinging. No stinging whatsoever. Very smooth. Very nice. Excellent finish to the shave. This will seal off the pores. Tell you if you got any irritation, you'd get a little bit of stinging if you went over the same area too many times. But we're super smooth. Really nice shave. Let's set that down. Let it soak in for about 30 seconds and we'll rinse that off. Pat the face dry. Let's apply this aftershave balm, this Thayers right here. We just snap open the cap like so. Put a couple drops into the fingertips and massage that in. It does smell woody. Definitely got a woodsy type scent to it. Goes on light. And since it's aloe vera and witch hazel, that's got to give you some protection. Good for the skin. As you can see, excellent shave provided. I'm super smooth. Cheeks, chin, neck, no cuts, no nicks. Really a nice smooth shave. I always thought of this 22R as more of a real mild razor, but it's actually closer mild to medium. It's actually a very good shaving razor, and it seems like it's very difficult to cut yourself. Feels really good in the hand. It's also very nice to look at. And again, the butterfly style doors, very simple to load and unload the blade. I give this razor 2 thumbs up for sure. My other thumb is busy right now, but 2 thumbs up on this razor. If you want to pick this razor up or any of these other items, just click below where it says show more, or go to shavenation.com and you can get them there. Do me a favor before we bug out. Go down to the bottom there and click subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate that. And then go up there in the corner and click the bell, and then click all. So you'll be notified of all my future videos coming out. They'll go right to your inbox, so you'll know every time I put out a new video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, the Parker 22R double-edged safety razor, gunmetal finish. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.